We recently had to personalise 5 hair dryers from a hair salon just so they could identify which one was being used and monitor the usage and that sort of thing. So we just popped all of them on our laser engraver and just marked them all with numbers. But as you probably know, if you buy new GHDs from GHD directly, you can have them engraved, laser engraved with a name or whatever. So I thought it might be something we could offer our customers who send their irons in for repair. It's not going to be too expensive or anything like that, but I thought it might be a nice service. I can do it in the workshop quite quickly. We're only going to be offering it on the black plastic finishes. The finish on the coloured surfaces can be a bit hit and miss. You've got to get it just right, and the shorter, just the name would be okay, but if you start doing a longer print when it gets to the very end, you can have problems. So we tend to stick with the black. I think that's going to be the best solution because the printing on these is pretty good, as you can see. But we're going to try that now. I've just typed out Charlotte's Hair Salon, and we like this text. It's quite a nice shape. We also have it filled in, and we've just lined it up pretty much in the middle of that plate, and we can just run a quick scan there, and that's where it's going to be printing. So now we can hit the engrave button and we'll just see how this turns up with a longer line of text, and we can run it multiple times. Yeah, perfect. Not sure that would need another go really, but let's see what happens when we do give it another go. Yeah, very little change in what's done there. So yeah, I think it's just a nice service to offer customers. We can do it there, or we could do it further back down the arm if required. You just have to make sure the laser is in the right place, pretty close, and we'll just mark it, just red mark that, just see if it's lined up okay. It's not too bad. Slight curve on this, which can affect the laser. So let's just see what happens when we mark it now. See if there's any tail off towards the end of the text. There we go. Yeah, pretty good. That's absolutely fine, I think. So yes, if you are interested, you can. There's a little tick box on all of the repair services. As I say, we will only do it for the black finish models. Doesn't matter which model it is. It can be any of the newer models, the older models. They'll all mark just the same. I think it's nice on the arm, and that's where we'll probably default print to. So yeah, if you would like that done, that's going to be the result. It's smooth still, you can just feel the text. We can do it, if it was for security purposes, we can actually burn the name deeper into it there. It doesn't show up like that, it is literally just burnt in there, which would be very hard to erase without scraping all the plastic off. So that's the same text but not filled in, and I do think that is nicer with it filled in. Certainly looks good like that. Anyway, it's a service you can choose at checkout, and yeah, thanks for watching.